Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited. This is the unboxing of the final consignment from LoneRider of the semi-rigid luggage bundle I bought from them. I've previously received the headlight guard and a few of the bags, and this is the big consignment of the panniers and some of the larger bags and the OverLander kind of top box style bag. And here you can see there's some dry bags included with this bundle. And these are some of the micro bags, I think they call these ones, the very small ones. I got a couple of those, and they can fit to the back of luggage on these molly straps they've got. And there's some mini bags, two of those, they can go onto the frame and engine protectors of a GS Adventure. And one of the saddle bags. The reason I opted for these from LoneRider is they're a great compromise between a hard aluminium case like the BMW ones or a soft saddle bag. These are semi-rigid, waterproof, really high quality, come with all of the tools and everything you need if you want to make an adjustment. They come pre-configured for a GS, so there's no adjustments needed at all. They just slot right onto the frame. They're the liners for the pannier, waterproof roll top. The pannier itself is also waterproof, very, very thick, heavy duty material. And you can see there's the semi-rigid insert as well. You can see all that protection around the corners. Very, very well thought out, well designed, heavy duty. So that's the OverLander bag, and the OverLander bag replaces a traditional top box. And what I love about this is not only is it waterproof, semi-rigid, lots and lots of modularity and adaptability, but it can come off the back of the bike with a couple of clips being undone, and it converts into a rucksack or a duffel bag immediately for you to walk away from the bike with. I went for the larger of the two sizes they do, just because most of the time there's going to be two of us on the bike. We need that extra storage capacity. It comes with a beaver tail that fits to the top of the bag, and it can hold the hydration bladder that I've previously been delivered. Two micro bags. Again, molly clips, they can go on the back of these saddle bags. And here's the other saddle bag. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching.